field surveyors play a crucial role in the development and construction industry. In the case of Noida Extension, these professionals are essential in ensuring accurate and reliable data for various projects. Specifically, field surveyors in Noida Extension are responsible for collecting and analyzing data related to land and property. They conduct surveys to determine boundaries, topography, and other important factors that can affect the design and development of infrastructure. These surveys are critical in the planning stage as they help architects, engineers, and developers make informed decisions based on accurate information. One important aspect of field surveying in Noida Extension is SCON design. SCON stands for Structural Connectivity Optimization Network, which is a design concept that aims to maximize the efficiency and effectiveness of infrastructure projects. The use of SCON design in field surveying allows for a more integrated and optimized approach to development. By considering various factors such as land use, connectivity, and sustainability, field surveyors can provide valuable insights that can lead to better designs and more efficient use of resources. Field surveyors in Noida Extension are equipped with the necessary tools and technology to carry out their tasks effectively. They use advanced surveying equipment such as DGPS, total stations, and laser scanners to accurately measure distances, angles, and elevations. This enables them to create precise maps and models of the land, which are then used by architects and engineers for design purposes. They are responsible for conducting surveys to verify that construction projects adhere to the approved plans and specifications. This helps in maintaining quality control and preventing any potential issues or disputes that may arise during the construction process. The development and construction industries greatly benefit from the work of field surveyors. These experts are crucial in ensuring accurate and trustworthy data for numerous projects in the case of Noida Extension. Particularly, data on land and property are collected and analyzed by field surveyors in Noida Extension. They carry out surveys to identify borders, topography, and other crucial elements that may affect the creation of infrastructure. Because they enable architects, engineers, and developers to make decisions based on reliable information, these surveys are essential during the planning stage. SCON design is a crucial component of field surveying in Noida Extension. The design principle known as SCON, or Structural Connectivity Optimization Network, strives to enhance the efficiency and efficacy of infrastructure projects. SCON design in field surveying enables a more streamlined and integrated method of development. Field surveyors can offer insightful information that can result in improved designs and more effective use of resources by taking into account numerous elements like land use, connectivity, and sustainability. Field surveyors in Noida Extension have access to the technology